The demolition exercise of houses built on illegally acquired plots at Kitwe's Mindolo North Township has entered day 2, with at least 150 more houses brought down, a move that has left these residents to cry foul over the development.
Nombanga kutampepo baratampira ni pesa lota barerondolola bwino ko bare abatutwale nango potwala twika nangu kambira kamurike misi yose ikabe yakwe nomba ikabashani nangu kwikala nangu buteko nangu kuvota nishtwala votera banane bo turevota nishama votinga kuvota nishibare ndati yabena Zambia nomba bwine Zambia pa buli pesa bachi tufimia 01 tulere panse na bana nempepo ero ningwata abana banshiwa ndiye basungira kwiseko na lava sungira inganda nabatobe yako bachimba sungiremo batu posere fumana nikanya abana bambo okukolwa bali abalwala icyo twalivotera cyakwe bati guteko fe batu afwa balivotire bati tube bwino bashobora tubafya bwako bati leo twalitira ma problem ba umiri weso nomba fayire na abalupa weso turafunga abana banshiwa abakwa bashanchani batwikana bonse twalikuta ma families so ifoni sukaraso nkira fe every month. The
check on site found the residents salvaging the remains of what used to be their houses, as well as taking care of their property which is just left outside. But when Copperbelt Province Minister Mwanyamsenge was contacted for comment in a telephone interview, he disclosed that the area in question is a disaster-prone site, which may cave in at any time, but promised to issue a concrete statement after receiving a report from the council. Memory Chipili, Muvi TV News, in Kitwe.